Okay, so I've got all the pieces cut. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the Santa first. The easiest way, since this is so intricate, is I'm gonna go ahead and just use a glue stick and just cover the whole thing. I'm not gonna worry about what's gonna come through because it'll dry clear anyway, so I'm just gonna get this whole thing covered with the glue stick. Just pay attention to these little corners that are tiny. Okay, and then I'm going to line them up using this part down here. His hands. Get it on as best as I can with the white. And then, so that's done. Now I'm going to add the black. I'm going to do the same thing. Now the black's got a lot of intricate, so I'm just going to cover this guy again, the whole thing. Side to side, all the edges, all the insides, because you want to make sure that this black part's going to stay down really well because it's very intricate. Okay, I'm going to start on this edge again, get it lined up there, around, make sure his hand is up there, and get this guy, work with it just a little bit. Okay. This guy on right, and when you're happy with it, go ahead and press it down, and there's my Santa. It's very cute. Okay, now I think I'm just going to go over on the top with the glue stick just to make sure these little pieces are glued down and stick very well. Make sure I got all the pieces. I think it's pretty good. I think I got them all now. Okay. You could go over him with a thin layer of Mod Podge as well, just so that he doesn't come apart. Okay. All right, I think that turned out pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the red part to the green part because this is the package and this is gonna be the back of the card. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach this first to the side here. Okay, and I'm just gonna use some double-sided tape that I have. I'm just gonna stick that on there and then just make sure that's pressed down good, pretty good. Okay, and I'm gonna put the green on top. Line up the edges there. I want to see the red, so I'm gonna just make sure that it's not showing. Okay, press that down really well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides next. So I'll flip this guy over and put on my tape. I've got some pieces here cut already. Okay. Okay, so the reason you want to do this first is because when you slide the dollar in, you don't want it to catch on that lip. It may still, but to the best of your ability, you don't want it to. Gotta cut another piece. So I'm just using double-sided tape, and I'm just gonna cut it down to size. Okay. Save that for later and get it on here. Just want to make sure that none of your tape is coming over the edges so that it gets caught on the money or anything. So okay, so now we pull that off. Okay, and then just lay this side on top. Just work it with your fingers. Get it on there good. There we go. Okay, So there is that one little, there is this little slot here that you can pull it out. So you can put the red on there or you can put the green on there. It doesn't matter. You can do these any colors you want. Then you can write on this, you know, your whatever you want to write on either side. And then this is the part that you put the money on, and it goes inside. It slips inside, and then your money, then you can pull your money out. You can put a clip on this, a paper clip on the end, and insert it, or you can take your money and put a little dot, those little glue dots on it, and stick it to that. Just depends on, you know, what you're going to use inside of the package. And then lastly, we'll just attach Santa to the package, and he just kind of lines up right on top. Line up your bottom piece and your hand. It's like he's holding it, and then just glue that down securely. Okay, so then the money is on there, it slides right in, and then it's easy to get out because it has the little lip there, and just pull it right out. So there's enough room in there to put a little bit of cash in there, and it's sized for currency, so it should, everything should fit fine. And then just write your message on here, and that's your Santa's gift card holder.